we are back for part 3 of this funding masterclass, guys. So if you are looking for funding, you want to make sure to watch all 3 of these videos that I have lined out for you guys. Also get my free credit kit, which includes this guide right here, which has the top US credit unions and where to get funding, how to join, who they pull credit from, and so much more. Like in our last video, we ended with Justice Federal Credit Union, one of my favorite credit unions right now, especially because that personal loan goes up to $50,000. All right. Next up, we have Langley, and they are a great credit union as well. Also really good for their credit cards. So again, when we are looking for credit cards, we want to look for that signature word. Signature, that means it's going to be that higher caliber. Even if there are monthly, or not monthly, but yearly annual fees associated, you want to go after that signature card. And in the future, if you don't want it anymore, ask the bank to downgrade you. Don't ever close credit cards because it affects your history, okay? And you can garner these, ask for credit limit increases every 6 months on these cards. A lot of times, if you ask for a credit limit increase through the app, it does not end in a hard credit pull. A lot of times with like Capital One, it will, Wells Fargo, it will. But a lot of these credit unions, you can ask for a credit limit increase right through the app, and a lot of times they don't hard pull your credit. I know with Navy Federal, they definitely do that, but if you call in, they will hard pull you. So you definitely want to look for those signature cards. And again, this one is no annual fee. Oh man. All right. Okay. And look, welcome offers, spend $3,000, get $200. Hello. Okay. But you don't want to sign up for credit products as soon as you join the credit union. You want to wait 3 to 6 months, build that relationship, garden that whole situation. Okay. 5 or more banking products. We talked about the outline. Comment the word credit union. I will send you my free credit union guide. The concept is all the same across the board. All right. You really want to build. Except with SoFi, you really just need to open up a checking and a savings, possibly that high yield savings that they have. That's really great. And there is a link below in the description to open up with SoFi to start guarding that relationship and get that easy 35K approval that me and a lot of others have gotten by following my same strategy. I even helped a gal, she was denied 3 times and then followed my blueprint and was approved for 35K, and she needed those funds. So I'm so happy that I can help her and that she didn't have to pay 10%, 15% of what I helped her get approved for. But nonetheless, Langley is a great way to start building a relationship up with a bank that really specializes in everything, right? So if you are looking for high yield savings, anything, they have it, all right? So I highly recommend them. You can also look at their loans. Now take a peek right here at their personal loans. They even have a credit builder loan. So instead of going to those credit builders like Kickoff and Chime, go to the credit unions, okay? Go to the credit unions. Now check this out, 96 months, guys, okay? That is so exciting because some of these only go up to 84 months, all right? Personal loans, the minimum is about $2,500 or more. But honestly, use this to improve your credit, create more credit trade lines, pay it on time so you can just go back and get more funding and create those comparable credit trade lines that a lot of people need. If you got debt consolidation, they can help with that. Extra line of credit, they can also help with that. But again, remember the lines of credit, just like a credit card, so they do affect your credit utilization. Now, Langley, if you look here, I'll just kind of show you how my guide works. We want to look for Langley, and it will tell you right here. Let's see. I know they're on here. Yes. Right here, boom. They pull from Equifax. All right. So this is how you kind of use this guide. It kind of tells you how you can join as well. So definitely get the guide, comment the word kit. I'll send it over to you. Alliant is up next. They're great, but the downside about Alliant is they're going to hard pull your credit when you open up a bank account with them. That's the one thing I didn't like. They pull from Experian in most cases. Now it can change based on your geographic location, right? But they have some really cool loans. Like if you want a Tesla, they do Tesla loans. They have personal loans. They have commercial loans. They have auto loans. But check out their personal loan right here, up to $100,000, guys. Most of the loans, might not go up to 100. Sometimes 50 is like that magic number. But like I said, with Lightstream and SoFi, get yourself in the door first, and then you can go back for more funding in 6 to 12 months. But if you have comparable credit, you've got a solid credit profile, hey, go big or go home. Ask for 100K, right? But understand what those payments are going to look like for a $100,000 loan, and just make sure that you put that money aside to pay for the loan itself, okay? But great bank, wonderful loans, highly recommended. They've got this signature card. Also look for platinum, okay? Signatures are my favorite, but platinum's also a really good option as well, okay? Next up, we have Connexus. You can check them out. Great loans, great personal loans, lines of credit. Man, I love Connexus. And let's just use my handy dandy sheet here to look up Connexus and see, okay, how can I join Connexus, right? $5 donation, and the credit bureau is not there right now because not all of them have who they pull credit from. But here's the cool thing. If you join the kit, all right, join my free kit, then you'll see I have a list. I'm going to show you guys. Now, if you join the credit kit, it's absolutely for free. You can look at credit pulls guide, okay? And this is going to give you a list of where everyone pulls credit from, all right? This is golden because this is going to help you plan out your funding sequence. And right here, we've got Connexus. They are TransUnion, all right? And Connexus is also an Elon Financial. So they do in-house funding for their loans, but they use Elon Financial for their credit cards. But I love Elon Financial. They have 18 months, 0% interest, guys. Don't sleep on Elon. DCU, they are Equifax Bank, okay? Great loans, great credit cards, great funding, very much relationship based. Make sure that you optimize your credit profile before you apply for anything. Cool thing is DCU and First Tech Federal Credit Union just joined forces. So there are probably some changes that were going to occur, but DCU is still one of my favorite credit unions out there, and anyone can pretty much join. So I really like them. NASA Federal Credit Union, they are a little bit geo-restricted, but you can still join by joining their like spaceship subscription or whatever it is. But on the business side, if you are a business, they are definitely restricted, and they only will approve people in a certain geographic area, which right here, I'm going to show you guys exactly what it says on their website so you don't waste any of your time. Yes, their business credit card goes up to $50,000. However, check this out. It says business must be located and operating within Maryland, Virginia, or DC to be eligible. So it's a great bank. They are generally going to pull from Experian, but a little bit geographically restricted. Still recommended on the personal side, give out great limits, and highly recommended. Next up is NIH. They are an Equifax bank, and they have great personal and business stuff as well. Now, that is going to conclude our mastery. Now, if you want to learn more, join the credit community. I just did a whole masterclass in detail on personal funding. And if I get over 1,000 comments on this video, I will release it so you guys can watch it for absolutely free. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Check in the comments below. Let me know you're here, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.